and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Ropeway project will boost the economy of the state, says Conrad K. Sangma. CM inaugurates the Shillong Engineering College office. BSF Meghalaya foiled smuggling attempt by seizing 20 cattle on international border. And Laujinri receives 15 lakhs to build a larger community hall. And now the news in detail. The government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Tourism Department, proposes an alternative route to Shillong Viewpoint through the construction of a ropeway from Shillong Viewpoint to Forest Nursery, Raj Laban. The ropeway is the first of its kind in the state of Meghalaya. The ropeway project, to be set up on 1.34 hectares land, comes at an estimated cost of 138 crores. This project comprises of Lower Terminal Point LTP and Upper Terminal Point UTP. Speaking on this occasion, Conrad K. Sangma said, tourism is one of the key sectors of the state that boosts rural entrepreneurship, and government is providing training in hospitality to entrepreneurs for capacity building initiatives like launching of luxury vehicles and 5-star hotels will create thousands of new job opportunities in the rural and urban areas. In conclusion, he thanked the Raj Laban Dorbar Pulun for entrusting the government with the land areas for setting up of the roadway project.
Now the agreement between Tourism Department, Government of Meghalaya and Raj Laban Dorbar Pulun is now official for the Shillong Peak Ropeway project.
The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, along with Lakman Rumbui, Education Minister, inaugurated the office of Shillong Engineering College, which is situated in the same compound of the Shillong Polytechnic in Maulai Kanton Masar. This engineering college will start functioning in the month of July 2023, announced by the Chief Secretary.
This long-awaited Shillong Government Engineering College building. This is the dream of a government to have an engineering college of its own. And I'm happy that with the completion of 50 years of statehood, we are able to fructify the dream and the vision of the government to have this technical institution. It all started with the funding of the Rashtriya Uchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, that is RUSA 1.0, in which an amount of rupees 26 crores was sanctioned by the government. And it is not only from the government of India that we got the funding, but also from the state government in the form of the state sponsored scheme for landscaping, for completing the water supply system, for completing the electrification of this building. In fact, Honorable Chief Minister, who is the chief guest in today's function, has been here a number of times to run a recce and also to check the quality of the construction over here, which we had used for the Northeast Olympics.
BSF Meghalaya confiscated a truck crammed with 20 cattle in the bordering area of East Jayante Hills district, Meghalaya, on the 16th of January 2023, which were meant for smuggling to Bangladesh. The truck was intercepted by BSF mobile checkpost of 172 BNBSF deployed at Sunapur Bridge, East Jayante Hills. The BSF party signalled the vehicle to stop, but the driver instead accelerated the vehicle towards Umkyang area. BSF party chased for a while and seized the cattle-laden truck, but the driver somehow managed to escape, taking the benefit of the dense forest along the road. BSF is maintaining high degree of alertness in the bordering area to maintain peace and security as well as to prevent all types of trans-border crimes. The MLA of Maurinkaneng constituency, Panyat Singh's aim on the 16th of January 2023 laid a foundation stone to build a bigger community hall of Laujinri on Thamai, Shillong. The funding is done by the Chief Minister Development Fund scheme at a cost of 15 lakhs, and the construction of the community hall will soon begin. Panyat Singh's aim was the chief guest along with NPP candidate who will contest in the MLA elections from Nong Thamai constituency, Jasmine Lingdo, along with the headman SB Kharshandi and other office bearers of Laujinrio.
Kermenru bahasor ru kan lohumta dang shen ru ngidang wan ba chief minister hapo umpling hadian balayo betul bahaya ke yin dorbar kai ru te kala internet padu chief minister bala lingok kono nak CM fund tang kendiat pilala lek kani te kermen ba kani ka ba piyo menta CM SDF ru kermen ba let's say pin ai ka jingi trelang bat ngi ka sarkar da ka ba pi pentrei hakon kom ka ba biang nang ba ka jing trei kan internet bat kan penbiang ye ka jing dot kam no te hakabai dei ba kanika kam shnong next scam ba let's say ding ba kanika dorba shnong ka ba pinyo kanika community hall kan airu kalat kalensan ye ki kena samla bakin wan ban ye jo ye jan hang ni po shnong namar bentaf ni i ki kena samla kila jengai bhana kam shnong kila jengai bhana kam dong te kaniru kawan ra ngatrai ka dak jikli bahe bahe kam shnong ma na mentala dadan kanulu ka kam shnong ni duna bah kena samlan kemen paling ba ini hall bakin yo bantrei ban pendap bakin penlok ru hadian habut iki program skido pero dan bagi samla bakin wan kin itu bakin sutu ke ka dor bashnong namar hakan ika juk benta teng ni i bakin nak samla jungi ala sedang berkelet ma ika riti dustur khamtam ika sensyal shnong.
The candidate of AITC from South Tura constituency, Richard Mrong Marak, challenged to toss Konrad K. Sangma from left to right, the opponent from NPP, the same constituency, in the coming 2023 MLA elections. The topics of debate between the two would be regarding the poor conditions of small local schools all over Meghalaya, the issue of unemployment for youths, the low earnings of men and women, issues on agriculture and trade. This AITC candidate vehemently informed that the Chief Minister will have to answer all these questions raised by many issues in the society. After the constant requests from elderly people, men and women and volunteers who had sacrificed not for themselves but for the leaders in fighting for an independent state, finally on the 16th of January, the United Democratic Party UDP, through late and the election wave is sweeping, it venerated the Hill State fighters of Meghalaya by presenting them with 5,000 rupees along with mementos to 40 people who had contributed for the struggle to attain an independent state of Meghalaya in the year 1972. Few of such fighters who were venerated includes Sharat Nongbri, A.S. Maulong, Laskan Lingdo, Pro Marwen and others. The veneration was done by Medba Lingdo, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker in the office of UDP in Boys Road, Lanamkra.
Nagi university, nagi college, rekat batpi kibilang don haka mereka bakal ke bakia haka jemut cepekat ke benang kelmau nagai kali ke puar kadang dia bahaya ni it's better late than never. But it has to be now. Informed vote, so my collection kalajap, tandem collection, we assure na kaleng party bangin na ikani. Ikwa ban bo on the course, they went on the court, ban compile, yeki activities baro computer notus. But balay ngong ikani kada pano, ni kren. Ia kapateng di pemerintah. Ikren lagi kun samla di pemerintah. Ngakip kanun lagi kun samla di kapateng di pemerintah. Ngida semua long serius bahada berkata abang ikren sebagai still movement. Nama ngida suyo ndai nim sim experience dari. Like mo pig bagi volunteers. Kadang kam bat kadai ke bentang ke jungi bangin sedang banbu ben borti hagi jimto ki ban long ki record ki pura ngio aspa la hagi ni syang ngio pala ke aspa ndai na ila persang ban screen ni ki keteng berkhot ilam bagi ni keteng ki bomde da ko bangi ya pilih jumut bagi katu kadai ki volunteers ki bagi tip bagi long ki badai ki volunteers ni siam ki non sta pa aspa tam la aspa dona na ka daw ni kwa bana kalian ka parti ni kwa ban song tu syai susu nama da kai ke bang isu asmo ki khana isu asmo ki jinkran isu asmo ya ka jingi tu paten ya kata kajing ya na este ngai ba ka dong ke kabar ke jing atatin khinja kan sai Haga por niyo Eagle State, dan Kaduna State awak kadunda sebagai por, madang Arsenal. Hawang niyo Eagle State jelang Mapura, madang South State. Dayu mengkal mengahawa yang berkata Eagle State. Dia mau pikir, kibaidan bentar hak atau por, kibanya Islam, kibanya tu ini. Yaki balong ke sisya hane ke song ukna sutharai ulang ba to datip.
A.S. Maulong, one of the brave fighters to sacrifice oneself for the attainment of a full-fledged Meghalaya state, which started to emerge from the year 1960 up till 1972, grieved over the change of time covering the past 50 years. He explained that back those days, the unity among the people was one with one voice fighting for an independent state. But now with the passage of time, multiple voices differs from one another and majority of the leaders and people are clueless with no clear path. What once belonged to the race is now property of people from Garo Hills. Until when will our race, our community be exploited and taken advantage of by other people, other races, he asked with concern.
All that may I president is 1958, 68 years, 65 years ago maybe, say country somewhere. No yalam day bahabat, but bahoping. But for the first time, the same many come ban siap tiar gas, Shillong. Man pelingkot bahabat bahoping siakan. Papa Jumi, do no any state, do chairman juga. Recently, a political unit APSR sing, ada assistant secretary. Ini jamnya apa? Pada Shillong sadar, malik juga ini. Dua teman bersan, terang bah juga malang mulai. Ikhlas datap 93 years plus. Datap poin lain 1958. Ini bisik apa jail? Baiklah, ada Bible ipulai dalam Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, patun terdendar. Nada kia Islam, jila estate kaya, pada pengiran dan picketing of 1968 for national ngialang baru volunteers juga, Shillong circle, pan kita ke berkreat first batch, kita masih sepatam, manlet picket 10 September 1968 ya kan secretariat additional.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.